Welcome to the most controversial math problem in internet history. This question right here, it tore the internet apart. Everyone is fighting over the answer. If you type this into a modern smartphone, the answer is 9. But if you use your grandpa's old calculator, the answer is 1. So who is right? Let me show you the truth. Here is how 50% of people get it wrong. First, they add inside the parentheses to get 3, so it becomes this. Now here is the trap. People see the 2 and the 3 as glued together. They think they have to multiply them first, so they do 2 times 3, which is 6, and then 6 divided by 6 is obviously 1. If you think this is the correct answer, I'm sorry, but this is wrong. To solve this correctly, we need the PEMDAS rule. And here's the secret. Multiplication and division are equal partners. Let's look at the question again. Add inside the parentheses to get 3. Let's look at the question again. 6 divided by 2 times 3. Since they are equal, we simply go from left to right. What is on the left? The division. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Now we are left with 3 times 3. Multiply it. Boom! The answer is 9. A real mathematician would never write it like this. They would use fraction bars or extra brackets to be clear. I think the person who wrote this just wanted to start a war on the internet, and they succeeded. So, mystery solved. Make sure to subscribe and comment below. Were you on Team 1 or Team 9? See you in the next video.